Have you ever been inside an insights factory? Probably not. So let's take a minute to look inside and learn exactly what goes on. Each and every company produces part of the 44 billion terabytes of data in the universe. This data is comprised of everything from customer care data to device usage data. The data is collected and processed within the factory, and once it's there, we apply industry and customer expertise to gain deep learning, data visualization, and AI-driven analytics to convert data into business insights. The factory, as we're calling it, turns raw data into highly valuable insights that can help B2B companies grow and make better decisions. It can produce customized outputs to support a steady stream of use cases, such as channel partner incentive plan optimization and contract renewals rates improvements, and even analytics or insights as a service offerings. Factories focused on delivering insight services respond to customer needs in real time. They sustain growth by adopting a mindset that keeps customers at the core.